We will examine all the allegations that have been made. Ang lumalabas talaga dito, mula nung nasimulaan itong investigasyon at lahat niyan, ay patagal na talaga. Kaya ang lalim na ang lalim na nung kumbaga sa amag at napakalalim na sa sistema. It's the system of this kind of corruption has been institutionalized. And if you look at the allegations that have been made, nagsimula sa 2003 pa ito. So this has been going for 21 years. And that is why it's so deeply seated within the system. And that's why it's going to be a very, kailangan masalimuot at detalyado ang ating magiging investigasyon at para matignan. And yan ang magiging trabaho ngayon ng ating independent commission. So all of these allegations will be examined, and that's the job of the independent commission, which by the time we get back, before the end of the week, it will be organized.
Thank you.
And the personalities who are going to be part of the independent commission will also be named already. We will also decide on the powers. We already have a very good idea of what the powers and authorities will be granted to the independent commission. So that's their job. And we have made very sure that they are in fact independent, truly independent. So walang politiko dyan, walang puro investigador, abogado para mga it's a technical exercise. So we will continue with all these inquiries hanggang talagang makita natin how did this happen? Paano tayo? Kasi kagaya ng nasabi ko noon, ang talagang dapat malaman kung paano tayo nagkaganto. How did we get to this terrible point where all of these actuations, ito yung mga kickback, lahat yung mga pinag-uusapan natin, naging institutionalized, naging normal. And that's what we are going to have to investigate, and we have to bubuwagin natin yung sistema. It cannot be allowed.